Ethereum has been in a deflationary mode for over 48 hours, an unprecedented event in the weekend market. This is attributed to a series of launches on the network. Additionally, there are upcoming launches of Arbitrum and Matic Zone, as well as the Blur and Pseudo token drops. However, 2 months ago ETH experienced an inflationary period. Its price has been steadily increasing in recent weeks, though there are signs of reversal. At press time, Ethereum is close to the $1,700 price level, though it may fail to break it and cause a wider correction. Overall, Ethereum's deflationary period is an encouraging sign for investors. However, the current market conditions and upcoming catalysts should be taken into consideration when looking at the overall picture. Investors have been attracted to Bitcoin for a variety of reasons, such as its potential to solve economic issues and reach the unbanked. Additionally, it provides financial freedom amidst inflation and geopolitical uncertainty. Strategies such as hodling, dollar cost averaging, and self-custodial wallets can be used to achieve financial freedom when it comes to Bitcoin. Other strategies may be employed as well. It is important to remember to focus on the long-term benefits of Bitcoin while also looking to reap short-term gains. This article provides an excellent overview of how Bitcoin can be used as a tool to achieve financial freedom. It outlines the different strategies that investors can employ for their long-term success, such as hodling, dollar cost averaging, and self-custody. Additionally, it touches on the importance of keeping the private keys safe, and how the recent FTX fraud has highlighted the need for such security measures. Overall, this is a great article for anyone looking to enter the Bitcoin market. Michael van de Poppy warns that there is a growing chance that the rebound seen in crypto and stocks this year may flip bearish. This could potentially lead to a retest of Bitcoin's $20,000, $21,000 price range. The future of the U.S. economy will depend heavily on the outcome of the Consumer Price Index data for January. The data is due February 14th. The U.S. dollar index has dropped 13% since mid-2022, and traders are debating the potential for a BTC price pullback. This analysis indicates that Bitcoin may face a retest of $20,000 and that the US is unlikely to have a successful soft landing when it comes to inflation. It is important to keep an eye on the US dollar index and consumer price index data in order to determine whether BTC USD could experience a pullback in the near future. StarkWare, an $8 billion blockchain scaling system creator, has announced plans to open source its core cryptographic software tool. This technology tackles scalability issues of Ethereum, such as slow throughput and high gas or transaction fees. The company has 2 platforms and intends to open source its Stark Prover technology for developers building decentralized applications. At the 2-day StarkWare Sessions 2023 event in Tel Aviv, Israel, the company declared their commitment. They are committed to making the entire tech stack transparent for developers. Crypto infrastructure projects have seen an increased profile and investment since the collapse of centralized crypto exchange FTX. Infrastructure remains relatively strong and is the highest earning vertical. This is a great move by StarkWare to open source its core technology to help developers build decentralized applications. It is also a sign of the increased focus on infrastructure investments in the crypto space, as investors move away from centralized finance projects. Open source technology will be a key enabler for more people to manage their own funds, and it will be interesting to see how this move impacts the industry. Microsoft MSFT-backed AI-based chatbot ChatGPT has become the fastest-growing internet app ever, with 100 million users in just 2 months. The market for generative AI is predicted to be worth in excess of $1 trillion according to UBS analysts. This has sparked a surge of investor interest in AI-powered technology. Justin Sun, the creator of the Tron blockchain and cryptocurrency, proposed a framework. This framework aims to provide an AI-oriented decentralized payment framework for ChatGPT. BuzzFeed saw its share price skyrocket last month after it announced plans to use AI to generate content. However, Sheila Warren, the chief executive of the Crypto Council for Innovation, warned that ChatGPT is overhyped and may not live up to the hype. ChatGPT is an AI-based chatbot that has seen rapid growth, and has sparked a surge of investor interest in AI-powered technology. Justin Sun, crypto entrepreneur, has proposed a framework for a decentralized payment system for ChatGPT. The industry hype has been compared to the Bitcoin and crypto craze of late 2021. However, Sheila Warren, chief executive of the Crypto Council for Innovation, has warned that the technology is overhyped. Bitcoin has seen an impressive rally in January, followed by a period of consolidation in February. This is seen by some as a positive sign, as vertical rallies are often not sustainable. Analysts are divided on whether Bitcoin has bottomed out or not, with some expecting the rally to reverse and others believing it will continue. Morgan Creek Capital Management CEO Mark Yesko believes the crypto summer could begin as early as the second quarter of this year. A potential bullish catalyst being the block reward halving in 2024. Altcoins will likely continue their up move while Bitcoin consolidates. Ethereum is trading near the $1,680 resistance, and OK recently hit a new high. Algorand's recovery has reached the breakdown level at 27 cents. Theta Network has successfully completed a retest of its breakout level. Bulls will try to push these cryptocurrencies above their respective resistances. Bearish movements could result in drops to their respective supports. This article provides a comprehensive look at the performance of Bitcoin and select altcoins in February. It presents a balanced view of both the bullish and bearish scenarios for each cryptocurrency, which can be extremely useful for traders looking to make informed decisions. Additionally, the analyst provides technical analysis of each crypto, which can provide valuable insights into the potential future direction of the markets.